Stop right there. You think cheap used cars have to be boring? Think again. This car looks like a prototype from the future, but you can snag one for peanuts. Today, we're diving deep into the 7th Gen Toyota Celica to see if it delivers JDM thrills on a budget. Hey guys, this beauty is the 2000 to 2006 Toyota Celica. It's affordable, it's reliable, it's a Toyota, and it screams fun. We bought this one for just ____. Is this the budget sports coupe king? Let's do a walk around. The design is absolutely timeless. Look at these headlights, they are sharp, aggressive, and instantly recognizable. The front bumper is low, giving it that sleek, ground-hugging look. Pay close attention to the spoiler, they are a key part of the look. Common flaw check. Check for paint fade on the roof and potential rust spots on the rear wheel arches. Jumping inside, the cockpit is all business. It's driver-focused, which I love. The seats are excellent, they're nicely bolstered and hold you tight, which is crucial for handling. Now, look at this steering wheel. It feels perfect in your hands, giving great feedback. While the plastic trim is a little 2000s, the functionality is flawless. This interior is built to last. Time to see what this thing can actually do. Under the hood, we have the legendary 1.8L VDT engine. It's not a muscle car, but it's light and responsive. Ignition sound. Out on the road, the handling is razor sharp. The power band is smooth, especially when you hit the lift, if 180 horsepower version. This car is all about carrying speed through the corners. It's a true driver's car. Time to see what this thing can actually do. Under the hood, we have the legendary 1.8L VDT engine. It's not a muscle car, but it's light and responsive. Ignition sound. Out on the road, the handling is razor sharp. The power band is smooth, especially when you hit the lift, if 180 horsepower version. This car is all about carrying speed through the corners. It's a true driver's car. Let's talk dollars and cents. The best part? It's a Toyota, so maintenance is cheap and easy. Parts are readily available at any auto store. You'll get fantastic gas mileage, we're seeing, specific MPG number, on the highway. Your only real homework is checking the engine's oil level frequently, which is a common quirk of these VDT motors. So, is the Celica 7th Gen the budget king? Absolutely. If you want stylish JDM looks, legendary reliability, and a genuinely fun driving experience without spending 5 figures, this is it. If you enjoyed the review, hit the like button and tell me what used sports car I should review next. See you guys soon.